Okay, based on the detail, we have to go to this menu and search for virtual uh, virtual private cloud, which is the virtual
Based
network
on the
that we're
detail, we
gonna
have to
use.
go to this.
So click create VPC and put it the name of what is called VPC WP, which is for the window. Okay, and we're gonna use the uh, AC1 and the subnet also be the WP with that CID IPv4, and that's it. Click create, and then we're gonna go to the data encryption workshop. Okay, we're gonna generate the key pair to connect to that VPC. We just create a key. No, sorry. We have to go to the key pair service and go to private key pair and create a key pair. You can name it like test window, something like this, and agree and click create. Mhm. Okay, the next one we're gonna create our online server, which is Elastic Cloud Server. Just by ECS. And okay, for this one we're gonna create select to vCPU 4 GB RAM and select S6. Okay, with the image public image of window, the version should be R2 or 4 GB. This one, the basic edition. Next we're gonna add the hide IO system disk. Sorry, before we go we have to go to building mode to pay per use. Okay, next configure network. It will use the same virtual network that we create, which is VPC with WP, and keep it. Specification, sorry, not required. The elastic IP address. Then we put the name EZ window, and we will use the key pair of the test window that we have created, and I acknowledge that I have that private key and not required. Next we're gonna confirm, and I have the agree. Okay, next we're gonna create the ECS, which is for the Linux. Choose Singapore, pay per use, um, the same to with CPU, 4 GB of RAM, and go to SIG, go to the Send OS and choose the 7.6, 64-bit, and this is hide IO. Go to the network. Keep it the same, but for the EAP we will put it auto assign. Okay. Then we'll go to this one. We will name it Linux and use the password. Maybe the password is what should we do? I will put it engineer 100%. this one, engineer 100%. And should be fine. And then click, oh sorry, I have to accept this one. Okay, next we have to remote log into the window, but before we go we have to get the password. Manage password, get password, and select the file from the download that we have, and get the password and we copy it, and then we're gonna do the remote login. Oops. And then we're gonna input that password, then send it. Oh, password is incorrect. Interesting. It should be this one. 2D kbm. What? Copy and paste. Okay, we got it. And press yes. Okay. And then after we have complete login, you can go to the Linux and also do the remote login. And the login name is what's called root, and the password is engineer 100. Sorry, engineer 100%. And yeah, we are inside the Linux. Then the next one we're gonna modify that ECS window. Put more, and we have to stop it first. Okay, it should be stopped. Okay, the first part we have done it. Wait a minute. Is it? I have to stop it. Oh, it's stopping. Wait for it. The next one we have to log in. And then create a Windows system this. Okay, we have to modify it first. Oops. Modify specification. And then we change it to CPU and 8 GB of RAM. It's S6 large 4. And next, I have read and agree. Submit application. Yeah, go back to the list, and we're gonna start it. Just press refresh to see it's changing. Yeah, okay, it works now. Okay. Then next one, we're going to image management service and create the image. Create this image, system this image from the ECS video, and the name should be, what is the name? Image 2012. Oops. 2012, and make agreement. Just submit it. Okay. Then we now okay. Next one we're gonna do the Linux. Go to the Linux and go to the part 3. We copy the code, copy, and input the commands, pass it, send. Okay, and everything is okay. Also, we're gonna, oops, oh, sorry. Go to this one and start. Yeah. You can skip this one because it's the default one. You don't have to do anything. And then we create the Linux image. Okay. Okay. Next one, we're gonna go to the image management service again and make the ECS Linux and uh, image standard is 7.6 and I have read and agree. Let's go. The next one, the next part is the sharing an image. So now the image is being creating, so we don't have to do anything. You just share to another people, but we don't have anyone. The next one, creating AS configuration. Go to the auto scaling. And then we're gonna create the AS configuration. Use Singapore X22B existing ECS and select the ECS, which is ECS window. Okay. Automatically assign dynamic BGP 5 megabit. Use the key pair of window, test window. And then we just create it. The next one is go to the AS group. Create the AS group, AP Singapore. And the group name CB. Okay. For the max instance of 5, expect instance of 2, minimum instance of 1. Okay. Next one to S configuration. Just choose that one. Should and the VPC that we have created, and the other thing, do not use this instant EIP release. Health check data disk 5 minutes 600 tag do not require, and then we just click create. Okay, now that you can proceed to the um, tutorial, but we should go to this one first for the ECS. We can log into it. Oh, we have done it, and the last one is creating the image of the window. When we go to that one, if the window image is done, let's see. Oh, oops. Interesting. You have to complete the exercise. This exercise is good for making the ECS, and yeah, after you have finished it, go to the report and snip it. This one. And then save somewhere to desktop. Also this one. Desktop. Save. And yeah, you're done.